Good morning, world. When dealing with infidelity, a lot of times people reach out to friends, family, just others in their lives to help provide the support that they need. And as that support person, as the person who is providing the support the person needs, today I want to talk about 5 don'ts, 5 things you should avoid doing when helping a friend deal with infidelity. First is don't judge. Refrain from judging, refrain from scolding, refrain from making any plans, any type of decisions for the person, because they already are at that point of feeling where some power has been taken from them, something has been taken from them. They do not need someone judging them. They do not need someone scolding them. Definitely no I told you so, or I saw that coming, or I knew that about him or her. Definitely none of that. No judging, no scolding, and definitely don't make any plans for them. Let them take their time to make any plans or decisions. 2, keep the person's confidence. Do not tell other people about their business. If and when they choose to, they will share that information with others, but they will share that information with whomever, whenever they choose to. Do not keep the person's confidence. Do not share their information. It's not your news to share. So keep that in mind. 3, bad-mouthing the partner. Do not bad-mouth their partner, because in a lot of ways, when you start bad-mouthing the person's partner, you are judging them, because you're saying, yeah, this is the kind of person you were with. In a lot of ways, bad-mouthing is casting judgment. But there's also that whole idea that the person, no matter what happened, still has feelings. They still have an investment in that person. They still care about this person who hurt them. And also, you don't know how how this situation is going to end. If you are bad-mouthing the partner today, and then the couple decides to stay together, where do you stand? No bad-mouthing the partner. It doesn't help the situation. It's not helping your friend, and it's definitely not helping your relationship with your friend or with your friend's partner if they decide to stay together. 4, don't encourage or push for any type of retaliation. Sometimes you may feel hurt by the fact that their partner did that to them. You may have a lot of emotions. You may have things that you wish you could do to that person, but it's important to remember that in that moment, you're there to be the level-headed, the cool person, the calm-headed, the adult in this situation. You're there to help your friend or whoever it is make those decisions that they will make today and still be comfortable having made tomorrow, 3 years from now. Retaliation or any type of retaliation. A lot of times, maybe when you are a little bit older or when you're calmer, people very often regret those things. So don't encourage any type of retaliation, because that could make situations worse, and they can regret that when they are calmer and stuff like that. And finally, don't confront the partner. No matter how hurt you are, no matter how cool you think your relationship with that person is, this is not your place. This is their relationship. This is their situation. You're there as support. Remember, your role as support is to help your friend or whoever it is that you have, whoever your dog in that fight is. That's your role, support. It's not you. When you go confront the partner, you could actually end up making the situation worse for the couple, especially if they are working on repairing, if they're working on healing. You don't know where they are with each other, so it's not your job to go confront the partner. Let the person involved, let the 2 people involved deal with each other. Be support. Quick recap. 1, don't judge. Refrain from judging, scolding, any I told you so's, making decisions or plans for the person. 2, do not tell other people their business. You need to keep the person's confidence, because this is not your news to share. 3, don't badmouth the partner, because in a lot of ways you are judging the person and you're not helping your friend, and it definitely does not help the situation if they end up staying together. 4, don't encourage or push for any type of retaliation, because they often regret that later. 5, don't go confront the partner, because this is not your place. Your job is support. If you go confront the partner, you could make things worse. And if you or someone you know is dealing with something that is more than you can handle, please make sure, encourage them or assist them so that they can get the help that they need, because there's a lot of help out there. And that is all we have for today. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.